It's a windy, rainy, stormy morning outside, as you can see. That's what we've got. The whole house is starting to stir. Oh no, here's one. Here's Miss Topsy. She's awake and stirring. She smells like blue cheese. I think it's bath time. And let's see out here. Yes, even the window is just covered in rain. We must be somewhere near Seattle. Oh. And there's our lovely mom. Right there. Скажи доброе утро.
Доброе утро.
Где Дим? There's Dimitri. Oh yeah. Dima, say good morning.
Good morning.
Look at the camera. Look at me. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Dima, this is backwards. Here. What you got there? What do you have there, Dima? The Yolka, the Christmas tree?
Yeah. It's 4.
There. Where's your tool belt? Show me your tool belt. Your belt with all your tools in it. Oh, is that where you keep your tools? Right now you must be using them all because they're not in your belt.
What's this belt?
Yeah, that's kind of like my belt, huh? A little bit? Yeah? Oh, I don't need it. Okay. Alright. Well, here we are. It's morning. Oh, there's Mom being Mom. Okay, let's let them be.
It looks like it was outside.
And today we take down the Christmas tree. I'm happy. Okay, well, let's check in on Topsy again. And we'll sign off here. Sophie. Oh, it's a smile, it's a smile. Beep. Yeah. Alright, blue cheese.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.